Cooking this Ramadan will not get easier than this. These succulent, juicy tandoori chicken kebabs are bursting with aromatic Indian spices and are guaranteed to impress your taste buds. Plus, they're way easier to make than you think. Step 1. Let's make the tandoori chicken marinade. For this, we're going to wash, clean and cube 1 kg of chicken fillet, then add half a cup of yogurt. To this, I'm also going to add in 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of rough salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and finally, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're going to mix all of this together until everything is properly combined and marinate for 1 hour. Cook the chicken in a pot with a little ghee until all the water dries out. To smoke this, place a charcoal over a saucepan, and when the chicken has halfway cooked, place the foil into a pot and then add the charcoal piece into the pot. Add some sunflower oil over the foil and close the pot, allowing it to steam, giving it that smoked flavor. Making the potato mix. For this, we're going to take 3 slices of bread and add 3 tablespoons of water to dampen it and mix until it becomes soft and doughy. Then to this, we're going to add 1 onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of mixed peppers, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of rough salt, and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Then we're also going to add in 6 potatoes that were previously boiled, cooled, and mashed. Mix all the ingredients together, making sure they are well combined, and then allow this to cool as well. Once the chicken has also dried out, remove from the stove and allow this to cool. Step 3. Combining the potato and chicken mix. Once the chicken has dried out, transfer it into a bowl to cool as previously mentioned and smash it until it becomes more refined. Then add in the potato mix and combine again. At this stage, you can shape them into round flat kebabs and freeze them. To fry, if frozen, make sure they're properly thawed before frying. Beat 2 eggs and leave these aside. Before frying, dip the kebabs into the egg and then shallow fry these in a little bit of sunflower oil. To serve, make a delicious flavorful salad and place the kebabs over this. This makes a perfect summer meal. So irresistible and so tasty. Enjoy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Catch you in the next vlog. Until then, happy cooking!